So I'm currently behind the wheel of the 2024 Audi RS5, and this thing features a launch control mode. So I'm going to take a moment to showcase just how you enable that launch control mode. So there's a couple different things that have to be in place for that mode to work according to the owner's manual. So first off, the steering wheel has to be in a straight or near straight position. It will not go into launch control if you have the steering wheel, tilted in any direction. It's not going to basically be like a burnout or donut mode automatically. You'd have to use your right foot and turn it off anyway. But to enable the launch control mode, first you have to go into the S1 gear. So right now I'm in drive, so to get into S1, just hit back on the gear lever. Now I'm in S1. Next, turn off traction control, which is right here on the center console. Just push that once and all the lights will illuminate, giving you different information like stability control, warning, limited stability, which is great. That's what you need. It also say Audi Presense currently limited, see owner's manual. And now what you're going to do is put 100% on the brake with your left foot, which I currently did, and then you're going to start giving it basically all the gas, and a little message will appear right here saying that launch control is enabled, and then if you let go of the brake, you will go as fast as possible. So we're going to do that right now. And that is how easy it is to do launch control in the Audi RS5. Please do this in a safe location such as an empty parking lot, private property. I do not recommend you go and mess around on somebody's property, some business property. But hope you like this quick video showcasing just how launch control works in the Audi RS5. Thanks for watching.